In this video, we'll show how you can easily add drop-down menus to a control bar. So you can see we have a simple control bar over here, and when we run the control bar, we can see that we have buttons, and when I click on this button, I get a drop-down menu. In this case, this is an expanding menu, so when I choose alpha, the sub options for alpha display inline and as the menu expands, and then we expand the next category, and then we go over there, and then when we make a selection that has an action, then the action fires and the menu gets closed. So that was basically an expanding menu. In this case here, we've got a cascading menu, which is basically menu items that fly out when you make a selection that has sub-choices. So let's go take a look now at how the control bar is configured to display these drop-down menus. So we'll go back to the builder here, open up the control bar builder, and we can see that when we add a new item over here, there's a new type of item that we can select called a button drop-down menu. So here we have 3 button drop-down menus. So the first one over here, you can see that our menu type has been set to expanding. It can also be set to cascading, so we've got expanding menus. Then the method for defining the menu can either be the menu builder, or it can be a static JSON string or an XBasic function. So the menu builder brings up a builder here that lets you very easily select a complex menu structure with multiple levels of hierarchy, and then for all of the endpoints you can go ahead and you can define an action. So you can see here for this endpoint here, A11, we have an action that does an alert, but what we want to do is we want to close the menu before the alert fires. So you can see we've added this additional code here to hide the menu before this alert actually fires, and we wait 400 milliseconds to allow the animation to complete. So that's how we can basically create menus using the menu builder. We can also create menus using static JSON. So we can just go and define some static JSON over here. There's the sample JSON that we will need to include. So here are our menu items. This is A, B, C, and then A has a submenu called C1, C2, and C3, and then C1 has an on-click event over there. So basically that's using static JSON. And then finally XBasic, we can also write an XBasic function. So we'll just go there and type and say XB, and then we basically can get the sample prototype, and this tells us what the XBasic function will need to generate in order to send back a menu item. So if you go back to the builder, we can see that basically all of the items in the menu that support security, so you can show and hide menu items based on the user's logged in security group. So the ability to then add these drop-down menus to the actual control bars is just done like all other controls. You can see here we just go to the control bar layout and then add in the menus wherever we want, whether we want them on the left-hand section, the middle section, or the right-hand section. So with this ability to easily display drop-down menus, you can create control bars that look like menu bars in standard web applications. Thanks very much for watching.